no matter where we go and what we do. Home is always the best destination that we could ever have. With this, a very good morning to all of you. Today's virtual assembly is going to be conducted by the junior students of class 4 and special assembly on World Habitat Day. Stay faithful. If you are hurting, stay hopeful. Pray and give thanks to God for the opportunity to grow. Ask Him to shed light. Ask Him for clarity. Path is the nearest approach to God. So, here we have Tanya to deliver Path.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निर्भउ निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैवंक गुरु प्रसाद। जब आज सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच।
Prayer is not a spare wheel that you pull out when in trouble, but it is a steering wheel that directs the right path throughout. I call upon Aviral Patel to lead us with English prayer.
There is one God, He is supreme truth. He, the Creator, is without fear and without hate. He, the omnipresence, pervades the universe. He is not born, nor does He die to be born again. By His grace shalt thou worship Him before time itself. There was truth when time began to run its course. He was the truth, even now He is the truth, and evermore shall truth prevail. Thanks to the God.
Music gives a soul to the universe, wings to the mind, fire to the imagination, and life to everything. So, here we have Manya for the English song.
I have lived a life of sin in this world I'm living in. I have done forever thing I shouldn't do. I asked the beggars on the way if he could tell me where to stay. Where I found real happiness and love that's true. Across the bridge, there no more sorrow, no more sorrow. Across the bridge, there no more pain, no more pain. Sun must shine across the river, and they'll never be unhappy again. Across the bridge, there no more sorrow, no more sorrow. Across the bridge, there no more pain, no more pain. The sun will shine across the river, and they'll never be unhappy again.
Now, I would like to call Sarabji for Ardas.
अरदास एक ओंकार से वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। वार से भगवती जी के पासे 10वीं प्रथम भगवती सिमर के गुरु नानक ले त्याय फिरंगत कुर्ते अमरदास रामदास से होय सहाय। अर्चन हर गोबिंद नो से मरो सरी हर राय। सिकसनते आइए जितने सब दुख जाए। तेग बादर से मरिया कन्नो ने दावे थाय। समतय हो से पासा दी जोत। श्री गुरु ग्रंथ जी दे पाठ दसन दे दाता ध्यान करके खालते जी के बोल बाले बोलो जी वाहिगुरु। पंजा प्यार चौं सब जादियां चालियां मुक्तियां हटियां जपियां तपियां नाम जपिया वन के चकिया देख चलाई देख वाई देख किता तिना प्यार सजादी कमाता ध्यान धर के खालते जी के बोल बाले बोलो जी वाहिगुरु। जिन्ना सिंगा सिंगड़ा ने तरह मेज दे बंद बंद कटाए खोपड़ियां लुआइयां सड़कों दे चढ़े आरा नाल चराए गए। गुरुद्वारे दे सेवा लई कुर्बानियां कीता अपना धर्म नहीं हारा सकी कैसा स्वासा नान लिवाई। तेन दी पवित्र कमाई ध्यान धर के खालसा जी के बोल बाले बोलो जी वाहिगुरु। पंजा तख्ता आते समूह गुरुद्वारे ते ध्यान धर के खालसा जी के बोल बाले बोलो जी वाहिगुरु। पितमे सरबत खालसा जी की अरदास है जी सरबत खालसा जी को वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु वाहिगुरु। चित आवे चित्ताबंद का सदका सरब सुख होवे। जहाँ जहाँ खालसा जी साहिब तहाँ तहाँ नशरियात देखते फतेह बिरद की पैच फन की साहिब जी साहे खालसा जी के बोल बाले बोलो जी वाहे गुरु सिख अनुसिखी दान केस दान रहत दान विवेक दान भरोसा दान दाना सिर दान नाम दान श्री अमृतसर जी दे दसम स्नान चौकियां झंडे पुंगे जुगो जुग अटल धर्म का जयकार खालसा जी के बोल बाले बोलो जी वाहिगुरु हे निमाणा दे मान नियोटियां दी ओट सच्चे पता वाहिगुरु ਆਪ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਹਜ਼ੂਰ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਪੌੜੀ ਦਾ ਪਾਠ ਪੜਿਆ ਹੈ ਪਾਠ ਦੇ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਰਨ ਵੇਲੇ ਅਨੇਕਾਂ ਪ੍ਰਕਾਰ ਦੀ ਭੁੱਲਾਂ ਚੁੱਕਾ ਹੋ ਗਈਆਂ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਅਣਜਾਣ ਬਤੇ ਸਮਝ ਕੇ ਮਾਫ ਕਰਨੀ ਇਸ ਕੋ ਨੂੰ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ ਬਖਸ਼ਣਾ ਸੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਮੇਲ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਚਿਤਾਵੇ ਨਾਨਕ ਨਾਮ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ ਤੇਰੇ ਭਾਣੇ ਸਰਬਤ ਦਾ ਭਲਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ
Pledge is the way to show patriotism towards the nation. Utkarsh is here to lead us with pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
News is a way to make aware of what's happening around us. So, to keep us up to date, I would like to call Rudra Kumar for this week's top news headlines.
Good morning everyone. Top news headlines of this week are international news. US court blocked on ban on TikTok download. 1000 rally against COVID-19 corpse in London. China-India discussing foreign minister agenda to ease border face-off. National news. Akalis quit NDA over farm bills. Justice done. Leader hails special CBI court verdict in Babri demolition case. India successfully test fire BrahMos supersonic cruise missile from Chandigarh ITL in Odisha. Now some sport news. IPL 2020 has started in UAE. Today's IPL 2020 match is in between Royal Challengers Bangalore and Delhi Capitals. Thank you.
Words are powerful things. Learning new words enhances vocabulary and explore language. We have Dhriti to tell you the word of the day.
Good morning. Today's word of the day is gnash. It means to grind the teeth together. For example, the caged tigers gnashed their teeth and lunch at the bars. Thank you and have a nice day.
Homes are important as they are extensions of who we are. The United Nations designated the first Monday of October of every year as World Habitat Day to reflect on the state of our towns and cities and on the basic right of all to adequate shelter. The theme of the first World Habitat Day in Kenya 1986 was Shelter is my right. Now Rashika is here who's going to tell you about habitat in detail, and later on there are some creative activities related to habitat and how to manage waste, means how to apply 3 R's in our life. Let's have a look.
All living organisms with plants or animals need food, a place to live, and other material like water and oxygen from the surroundings. Everything that surrounds living things and affects their growth and development is called environment. Both living and non-living things are part of environment. The natural surroundings where a living organism's life is called its habitat. Habitat provides an organisms with everything It needs to survive food, shelter, and proper climate conditions. Ponds, rivers, forests, deserts are some of habitats. Living things live on land, in water, or on trees based on their habitats. Our following type: terrestrial habitats. It includes of habitats on land like mountain, grassland, forest, and desert. Aquatic habitats. It includes habitats in water like ponds, lakes, rivers, and oceans. Arboreal habitat. It includes habitats on trees. Birds have aerial habitats. Some animals like frogs, toads, crocodile, which live on both land and water. Their habitat is known as amphibian habitats. A habitat consists of two main types. Living or biotic component includes plants and animals. Non-living or abiotic component includes soil, rock, temperature, water, air, and light. Thank you.
A camel from the desert habitat. My home is the desert sand. There's less water and less food, but I store it in my hump and I am good. My pet feet help me walk on the hot sand because I'm a camel from the desert habitat. I'm a goat from the mountain habitat. My home is the cold mountain land. I have thick hair to keep me warm from the cold winter storm. I have hooves to walk on tricky rocky paths because I'm a goat from the mountain habitat. I'm a tiger from the grassland habitat. I have a territory that I'll understand. I can camouflage with my black stripes and catch my prey with fast strides. I have sharp eyes that can see in darkness because I'm a tiger from the grassland habitat. I'm a fish from the water habitat. I like to live amidst the rich corals. I can swim with my tail and fins and breathe with the help of my gills. I eat smaller fish and plants on the waterbed because I'm a fish from the water habitat.
Thoughts inspires us and motivate us. So, I would like to call Ananya for Thought of the Day.
Good morning to all of you. Today's thought is: don't wait for the perfect moment. Take a moment and make it perfect. I repeat my thought: don't wait for the perfect moment. Take a moment and make it perfect. Thank you.